Is your Xfinity modem stuck with a flashing green light? Generally indicates a connection issue between your modem and the internet, often related to signal strength, configuration, or technical problems. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix this issue and get your internet back up and running. Let's get started. A flashing green light on your Xfinity modem can mean one of three things. Booting up normal for 5 to 10 minutes after powering on. Downloading a firmware update can take up to 30 minutes. Activation or signal. Needs troubleshooting. Follow the steps to fix it. Step 1. Power cycle router or modem. With Cycle Your Router, unplug your router from the power outlet and wait for at least 30 seconds. This gives it a chance to reset and clear any temporary issues. After waiting, plug your router back in and wait for the lights to stabilize. If in solid white or green, you're back online. If it's still blinking, keep watching for more steps. Step 2. Check for service outages. Check for service outages in your area. Sometimes a flashing green light is caused by a problem with your internet service provider. To check, visit the Xfinity website or use the Xfinity app to see if there are any ongoing outages. If there's an outage, we'll just need to wait for it to be resolved. Once the service is restored, your green light should stop flashing. Step 3. Check cable connections. Inspect your cable connections. Make sure all cables, including the power cord, Ethernet, and coaxial cables, are securely plugged in. Loose or damaged cables can cause connectivity issues. Check the coaxial cable connecting your router to the wall outlet. A loose or improperly connected cable can prevent the router from syncing with the internet properly. Step 4. Check for firmware updates. Connect to modem via Ethernet. Open any browser and access Xfinity modem login IP 10.0.0.1. Use your username and password to login. Check for firmware updates under Settings. Step 5. Reset the modem to factory settings. Reset your modem to factory settings. If the above steps haven't worked, try resetting your router. To do this, locate the reset button on the back of your modem. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds using a paperclip or pin. This will restore the router to its default settings, which may resolve any persistent issues. Once reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router settings, such as internet settings, your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 6. Contact Xfinity support. Contact Xfinity Comcast support if none of the previous steps worked. There might be a more serious issue with your router or internet connection. Reach out to Xfinity's customer support team for further assistance. You can call their support line or chat with a representative on their website. They can walk you through additional troubleshooting steps or help you arrange a technician visit if necessary. We hope this guide helped you fix the flashing green light on your Xfinity router. Remember, if in doubt, Xfinity support team is always ready to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.